Hey, Eloise here. I want to tell you about a workshop that I am running. You might want to come. Hi, everybody. Hope you're well today. Everybody, how are you today? I am running a workshop on Tuesday, the 17th. Yep, 17th of June, 2025, at 7:30 UK time. So if you're in Europe, it'll be 8:30. You're elsewhere around the globe, work out what GMT plus one is in your zone. Um, but actually, there'll be a link below where you can, if you follow the invite, there will be a link to your local time so you can work out if you can join us live. And if not, there will be a replay available for a week. So do check it out. But I'm going to do a workshop on meeting your dream life. So if you know, I've got a membership called the Dream Life Membership, and we're looking at creating our dream life. And we've had a blast over the last 6 weeks. We've been doing weekly gatherings and get-togethers and talking through our dream life, and it's been amazing. Everyone was really excited, everyone loved it. And I thought, well, why don't I do a mini one for everybody? Because it would be fun. Maybe we can create some magic for everybody and have a little bit of a gathering. So you're invited, it's free. So come and hang out. All you need to do is let me know you want to come. So follow the link with this video. You will find a link to the invite and you just put in your name and your email, and then I know who to send the Zoom link to when it's live. You can leave my list afterwards if you want. Uh, so we're going to have some fun. We're going to have a really fun session. It'll probably be about 90 minutes. I might make you an invitation to join my membership if you're lucky. But obviously up to you. We're just going to get together and have some fun. No hard sell. So yeah, if you want to come and hang out for a bit, I'm going to take you through some exercises. We'll do a bit of healing. We'll clear some of the blocks to creating your dream life. And if you want to come and hang out for a bit, say hi and come and meet some other yummy people. What else is there to lose? Come and say hello and join us. Okay, take care. Lots of love. Have a great week. Bye.